right? So yesterday I have told you how to delete, right?
Right.
Yeah, you may write down these two conditions.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Now let's start SU01. What does not exist? I think someone have deleted my account. Let me create one again. Roles. Okay, I have added a composite role. Okay, this was deleted as well. I guess everything that we have created till now was deleted. Okay. Yeah, understood. All right. Let's just save it. Save the user. Yeah. All right. Monica, I think all the roles that we have created till now have been deleted by the IT team here. So let's create a new role first.
Okay.
And then 7 p.m. We are creating a single role, and this only I will share how to delete. How to delete. Let's add some T code. T code. Let's say SC53 is important. SGA. After is important. SC01 is important. Pfcg is important for now, and WBC. For now, it is important, and WBC and okay, let it be. Uh, okay, let's go with this only. Online. Save.
We can create user for ourselves also.
Use it for ourselves. Yeah, I am just doing that.
नहीं मतलब कि जैसे हम खुद के लिए यूजर क्रिएट कर पा रहे तो ऐसे तो फिर हर कोई कर लेगा ना.
नहीं when जब हम लोग ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में होते हैं तो हम लोग वही चीज क्रिएट करते हैं, चेंज करते हैं जो हम लोग को बोला जाता है. Okay, we can create multiple test IDs, but the user that are present in the production system matters. Okay.
Okay.
हम प्रोडक्शन सिस्टम में कोई चीज नहीं करते. डेवलपमेंट सिस्टम में हम अगर मल्टीपल यूजर बना रहे हैं अपने लिए, ठीक है, तो हम बना सकते हैं, बट ऑल्सो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी कैन जस्टिफाई दैट व्हाई वी हैव क्रिएटेड दोज आईडीज.
Okay.
Okay, because we have to justify that we are creating this ID for this purpose.
Mm-hmm.
That's why we always create test IDs while when we
Mm-hmm.
are in any organization. This is a demo system. That's why I'm creating a role for myself and account for myself so that I can do what I want to do it. How to teach.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, because this best
Okay.
user is not as per the
Mhm.
uh, yeah, it is done. Save, user comparison left, done. Save and back. Now I have received all the. See, under this user, so many roles have been provided. Give me a second. Yeah, और give me.
Okay.
All right. Let me log into my account instead of that one. Yeah, first log on. Wow. Pfcg. All right, we are going to start with role relation and all. So X colon test role delete. I'm creating a okay. सॉरी, रोल नेमिंग में हम लोग स्पेस नहीं करते. ऑलराइट, या सेव द रोल, tcode, su01, su53 and su56. These are the roles that we have created. Okay, assign, save, status, done. All right. So now I've shared two conditions with you. One is that we can only delete changed or manual objects. Monica, sorry, give me 1 second, 1 minute more.
Okay.
All right. So I've told you that there are two conditions. Number one condition was that it should be manual. Okay, like this manual auth object.
Yes, of change.
One auth object inserted. They see this auth object have been inserted manually. Okay. Or if we are,
I mean, just
yeah,
a second. Someone is at.
yeah, okay,
Someone
sure.
is at door.
Yeah, sure, not an issue. Let me know once you're back.
Yes, I'm there. Hello. Amir, am I audible?
Yeah, sorry, I was on mute.
Okay.
Okay, okay. So yeah, all right. So let's start. Like I've told you that we can only delete manual or changed auth objects.
Yes.
All right.
Yes.
This is standard value. Oh, sorry. Yeah. This is a change. All right.
Mm-hmm.
If we want, now we can either delete this one. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
But before deleting,
Yes.
there is a second condition that it should be, inactive. So first of all, how to delete this? Like let's say we have added this manual auth object. As a
Mm-hmm.
good terminal scanning, we have just added. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. All right. Yeah. All right. So what we will do is, if we have to delete this auth object, we will do this. Okay. We will do edit button and deactivate authorizations. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Deactivate. Why there is no change? Yeah, that has been deleted. Sorry, yeah. Actually, it was not showing any sign. Okay. So I just deleted a manual auth object by deactivating it and then deleting it. Okay. I have added another auth object. This one. This is manual. Let's simply, we have to first deactivate it and then delete it. Understood?
Yes.
Similarly, if we want, we can delete this change as well. Okay, let's just delete
Yes.
it and delete it. Oh, sorry. See, it is not deleted. First, we have to deactivate and then delete change. It has been deleted. All
Yes.
right.
Yeah.
Now let's try to delete this maintain field. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
See, we can deactivate this. We have deactivated this maintain field, but
Mm-hmm.
we cannot delete it.
Okay.
Authorization status with the standard and maintained are kept. Means see, when we have tried to delete it, it was still there.
Okay.
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 Let's simply maintain the full. Yeah, everything is maintained here. Nothing has been changed. Okay, save, profile created and generate. It will be used so. So this is how we delete. We delete any auth object from Pfcg. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
All right. After that, after this, yeah, about profile generation.
Mm-hmm.
The, okay. After deletion, up to deletion, do you have any confusion or questions?
Not right now.
Okay. So let us start with profile generation.
Mm-hmm.
There are two ways in which we generate a profile. Okay.
Okay.
First thing is that we use is manual mode.
Mm-hmm.
First option, manual mode, and the second option that we use is the expert mode. For
Okay.
example, let's go to this role again. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
authorization. See, we can see these two options there. Change authorization data and expert mode for profile generation. All right.
Okay.
See, uh,
Yes.
the first option is called the normal mode or manual mode. We use this
Mm-hmm.
option whenever we are creating a new role,
Mm-hmm.
or if we are like we have already created the role at first. Now this time we are trying to modify the role.
Okay.
Okay, this scenario is clear, right? And earlier we have created the role, and at that time we used the first option, this option only, manual mode.
Yes.
Okay, now if we there's a let's say we have created the role, but the user is still not able to use the T code.
Mm-hmm.
IC01, IC53, he's not able to use it. So there might be some issue with the authorizations. Okay, so in that case as well, we use this change authorization data. Okay,
Okay.
when we don't have to add or delete T code, but we have to modify the authorization data only.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. Sorry. All right. See, I've added information about manual mode. We use it when we create a new role at the new role creation. If we have to modify the authorization data. Understood?
Yes. Yeah.
All right. Monica, can you please mute?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure. Yeah. We use this manual mode in these two conditions only. Okay. So I have shown you how we use this authorization data. We simply go into here, this, and if you have to make any changes, we simply make changes here. Like AC2T was star. Let's say this. Star only. Yeah, this one. Okay. So I've just changed the information.
Yeah.
Yeah. Save and generated the profile as well. We have just made changes to the authorization data only. So that's why we were using this option. Suppose we have to add a new T code. Okay. Let's say we add which T? SE38. Web editor. Assign transaction. Save. Alright. We have now added a T code. So in this condition, we use expert mode for profile generation. There are three options. Okay, now there are three options here. Okay. These are the three options, and information about it is given here. See, first option is to delete and indicate profile and authorizations. What this option do is, suppose we were editing the authorization data, and we have made a mess. Okay, and now we want the fresh data from SC24 from the memory, not SC24. From SC24, or you may say memory. For now, SC24 is the memory only. So we want the fresh data from SC24. We want to remove all the modifications that were done to the role. So what we do is we use the first option. Okay. Okay. For example, you remember that I've made some change. Give me a second. Yeah. See, you remember this, right? I made some changes and it is not changed. Monica?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now what I will do is I will use the expert mode. This delete and indicate profile and authorization. This will remove all the modifications that were done to the role, and it will share the fresh data.
Okay.
And it will it will pull the fresh data from SC24. So let's pull it. The plan version is the same for authorization. Save. Okay. See, it was changed earlier, but now it is not. Why? Because we have pulled the fresh data from SC24 from the memory. Okay. So whenever we want to remove the modifications that were done to the role, and we want to use the role as fresh, as a fresh role again. We use this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's just give. Everything is maintained now. Save, generated the profile generated. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this was the first option. Means it have deleted and recreated any profile and authorizations. Okay,
Okay.
it also added the new T code that we have added this SC38 uh, and added its data as well. Understood?
Yes.
Okay. So now new to in the first option where we have deleted and recreated the profile, the new T code was added and we got all the fresh data from SC24 on memory again. All the modifications
Okay.
that were made to the authorization data have been removed.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's add another. Sorry, let's remove this. I'm an editor. I'm removing this T code. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I've removed this T code. All right,
Okay.
save it. And this time I will use second option. Edit old status. What does it do is, if we are adding a new T code or we are removing any old T code, it will still show
Mm-hmm.
us the old data, old authorization data.
Okay.
Okay, see. Oh, sorry. It is still showing that it contains SC38.
Okay.
But I have just removed SC38. So it is not used very much. This second option of expert mode is not used very much. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So it's just to tell you that what does this the option do? It will read old status, means the last profile generation.
Mm-hmm.
It will show us the data from the last profile generation. That's it. Okay.
Okay.
So it helps in troubleshooting. Like let's say someone have removed a T code while making changes to it accidentally,
Mm-hmm.
and now the user is not able to use that T code. So we will check and we will use the edit old status. We can use the edit old status to see which T code the user had earlier.
Okay.
Okay, we can match it from here. Yeah, this T code was missing, and we want if
Mm-hmm.
we want we can go back and add that T code.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
was generated back. All right. Now the most important one is the third option that we use more frequently. Okay, I'm adding the any T code. I'm adding Pfcg here. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I have added Pfcg T code now. It have only
Mm-hmm.
four uh, T codes now. Save the option. Authorization data is missing. And now the third option. Now remember, whenever we have to remove or add a new T code. Okay, see, read old status and merge with the new data. The third option
Mm-hmm.
of expert mode. What does it say? It keeps the old data as it is. Means the last profile generation data from the last profile generation will be there.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, then it pulls the new data related to the new T code. Like I have just
Mm-hmm.
uh, okay, like I've just added a new T code Pfcg. So the data from the new T code will also be pulled here, and
Mm-hmm.
the old data and the new data it will be merged together. Okay,
Okay.
so let's use this option. Update it. See, the data from the last change will be here, Okay. And the new T code is here. Now we want we can maintain the values of the new T code here. Let's say I have maintained everything. Okay, saved and generate. If we want, we can remove the T code and still we will be using this third option. Remember, this third option is the mostly used option here.
Okay.
All right. The third option is the most used option here of the expert mode. And I know it. You might not be able to understand it clearly. Once you get the demo server, you will be able to understand it. Okay.
Yeah. Yes.
All right. So remember this, and you may write down this information if you want.
Yeah.
Okay. And let me know once you have completed it.
Okay.